Hi there, and for this video, we're going to show you how to set up your Google Authenticator for Crypto.com. Now, as you can see, we're on the home page, and from here, all we have to do is to tap on the three bars icon on the top left and go down to the bottom. We can see settings, and once here, let's go over to security, and we can see two-factor authentication. Now we just need to enable the two-factor authentication. We'll have to enter our passcode. Once here, you can either scan it with another phone, or in my case, I can just copy the setup key. Then I'm going to go over to my Google Authenticator, add a code, enter a setup key, just add the name, the key. Let's just leave it time-based. Tap on add, and our code is here. I will simply click to copy, and now our two-factor authentication is properly set. As we can see in the email verification, our two-factor authentication is successfully enabled. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please leave a like, subscribe, and maybe ring that notification bell so you don't miss any of our new tips. Thank you for watching, and see you again next time.